All right, so this is a Hychika cordless garden pruner, otherwise known as a handheld electric chainsaw. These are very handy little tools. I know that Bosch makes one of these. I think it's a little bit smaller, but this one is definitely a lot cheaper as far as the price is concerned. So let's go ahead and open it up. Unfortunately, they do not include a molded case. But you do get several accessories with it. And that's it. So this is the charger. The single 20-volt battery. You get some bar and chain oil. As well as an Allen key, presumably for putting the chain on. So they give you one spare chain. And of course, you already have a chain that has been installed. Scabbard guard. Another guard right here. Now, just as with a normal chainsaw, gas or electric, it doesn't matter, you need to put bar and chain oil in them. That's to protect the bar and the chain as they are moving over the rollers. And these are wearable parts. Keeping them nice and lubricated definitely increases the lifespan and longevity of that bar and chain. So what's nice about it though, is you also have a sight glass on where your level is supposed to be. So we're just gonna very carefully put a splash of oil in. That's full enough for me. I decided to put the spare chain in this little bag with the Allen key. So all we gotta do, I believe this should have a charge. But these batteries do have a level indicator, which is nice. Nice, it's got a brake in it too. Let's try it out on some cardboard first. Now, one thing that I already know that this could come in handy for is breaking down and destroying cardboard boxes, which beats, especially if it's a double or tri-wall box, using a box cutter. Yep. Very nice and fun. You can see it's slinging oil just like it should be. Definitely a new way to open up a box. And yes, I did look in there beforehand. So one thing that the instructions and just common sense make very apparent is this is not something that you would want to use to drop a big tree. I wouldn't want to cut anything with this that's really any bigger than this. This is about an inch wide or 1.5 inch wide wood dowel. So picture that as a tree branch if you want, but I would not cut anything larger than this with this. That's not what this is made for. This is really just for pruning and basic garden work and low task, low resistance type jobs like that. You want to be very careful that you don't overwork this thing either. It says that right in the instructions as well, that you don't want to use this for continued amounts of time. So let's try it out on this dowel and see how well it cuts. I did cut off a few pieces already, but the camera, of course, didn't save it. So I'll just finish off and cut through the rest of this. So it goes through it just fine. Would I recommend this for small jobs, stuff around the house? Definitely. I have no problem doing that. But like with anything else, you just want to make sure that you're not overworking the tool for the job. You don't want to use this to go and cut down a large pine tree or oak tree. It's the complete wrong tool for the job, but little stuff around your garden, around the house, you should be more than fine to use this tool for. But overall, I would say it's a pretty nice tool for the money. I'll let you guys know how it works out, you know, once I get some more use on it, but my general first impressions are pretty good. I would recommend you guys pick one up. Stay tuned for more videos.